What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 keeps crashing. So to fix this crashing issue, if you have opened too many apps in the background, then close all the apps running in the background. So to do this, tap on this recent key, and here you will find all the apps that are running in the background. So you can swipe left or right to close a app, and if there are a lot of apps, then you can tap on this cross icon to close all the apps at once. And after closing the apps, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then swipe down this icon, and after this icon gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try updating the apps. So to do this, open Play Store, tap on your profile icon, and then tap on manage apps and device. Now tap on all apps up to date or update available option, and from here you can view which app is not updated, and after updating that app, the crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps crashing issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.